And this question is given that if the resultant of two forces of magnitude P and 2P is perpendicular to P, then the angle between the forces is. As in question, you can observe that they are given the word perpendicular. That means we can say that it's going to be a right angle triangle. So what we'll do is, first we'll draw a right angle triangle. Then one force is given as P and the other force is given as 2P. And it is given that the resultant is perpendicular to P. So this should be the resultant vector, and this one we can take it as P and this we can take it as 2P. And the condition is that if you are adding these two vectors, that means P vector plus 2P vector, we are going to get this as our resultant vector. So that's why we are taking the order of resultant vector is opposite to that of P and 2P. Now, RM is to find out the angle between the forces is. So just observe this angle. Is it the angle between this P vector and 2P vector? No, this is not the angle between them, because this over here, the head of one vector and the tail of another vector are connected. So this is not the angle between them. Angle between two vectors is angle between them when their tails are connected. So what we'll do is we are just displacing or extending this P vector over here. So we can write this is going to be the value of angle between them. If I am taking this angle as theta, so we can say that this angle is going to be 180 minus theta. So first of all, try to find out the value of theta over here, which we can find out from the relation of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side over here is P, and the hypotenuse over here is 2P. So cos theta is nothing but we can take it as 1 by 2. So if cos theta is 1 by 2, that means theta is equal to 60 degree, because we know that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So if cos 60 is 1 by 2 or theta is 60 degree, so we can write this angle between this vector P vector and 2P vector is going to be 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120 degree. Or this 120 can be written as nothing but 2 times of 60 or 2 times of pi by 3. Pi radians is nothing but 180 degree. So 180 by 3 is 60, 60 into 2, that is equal to 120. So in terms of radians, you can write as 2 pi by